Hi guys, today I want to share the easy basics of English that help you better English every day. On the first day, I'll talk about how to express your happy mood. You can use verb and adjective pairs. Be happy or feel happy. These are the same meaning, but if you'd like to say why you are happy, you can add the prepositions about or with. Use about when you're glad something that will happen. For example, I feel happy about Indo Delivery is coming to deliver food for me, or I'm happy about the winter seasons coming up. If you use with, it means you are satisfied with something you have or an experience you had. For example, I'm happy with my job currently, or I don't care anybody talks to me about my weight because I'm happy with that.